I'm going to try to land this plane.
It's 56 stories high, and I only have 27 meters. That's roughly 14 times shorter than the world's shortest commercial runway. I need to start training. This outline is exactly the same size as the helipad.
If he couldn't get the absolute perfect touchdown, drop the back of the plane off the edge of the building and break it off.
Right, let's make history.
We're ready. I'm not sure we can do it. Okay, so I'll try another one. Dart is on bullseye.
Bullseye, my friend! That was perfect!
We made history, man. We made history.